In this video, we're going to talk about using if-else in Python list comprehension. Now, there's two scenarios here, and I'm going to go through both of them. The first is to limit which items are evaluated in the list comprehension. So this will weed out items that you don't want to put in there. And so I'm going to put here numbers. It's going to be from 1 to 100. And then I want to only have the even numbers in my list. So here I'm going to go for n in numbers, and then after all that, if n modulo 2 equals 0. So if dividing by 2 doesn't have a remainder, then it's an even number. And sure enough, I get 2 through 100. Now, the second scenario is I want the output of the items I chose to be treated differently based on a condition. So this is like a ternary operator usage. So here we're going to say, I'm going to do fizz if n modulo 3 is 0. So if it's divisible by 3, I'm going to do fizz, else I'm going to do buzz, and I'm going to go through all the numbers. So every third number should be fizz and the other two buzz. And sure enough, buzz, buzz, fizz, all the way through. Hope you learned something here. Smash that like button so I can help more people. Subscribe if you hadn't, and I'll see you in the next one.